Hello guys, so this will be the first part of a three-part series on dimensioning. So in this first part, we'll be tackling the dimensioning of figures 1 and figure 4 since both use similar dimension styles. First off, before we start, if you would like to follow my settings, check object snap track using right-clicking this. Then check, you can pause the video so that you can follow what I am doing step per step. Okay, you can pause the video if you want. Now let's begin. But first, we must check the dim style. If you do not know how to create a dim style, make sure you press new, type 100, then it must be a start with standard. So like this. So copy of 100, make sure you start with standard and then continue. Once you continue, you can copy my settings. I will be showing it. You can pause the video if you want. Uh, in this text style, if you do not know, if you cannot find the romance, you can select here and then create one. Romance does SHX, make sure it's height 0.2. Then apply, set current, and then X. Then select again the romance. Make sure that we have the same settings from here. Also here in the fit, then primary units, make sure to check the settings, and these two will not be necessary. Now that we're done doing that, make sure to set this to current. To check if this is a current dimension. Just look at here, and it will show you a preview. It should be close to here. So now let us begin. So for these straight lines, for the straight like perpendicular lines, we can use the command DLI, dim linear. So DLI spacebar. Then we can now start. You can do this and make sure that spacing off at least one. Then next is another way to do DLI is DLI, then spacebar, then select and then one, so that you don't need to specify the endpoints of each. You can just select the object. Now for here, for the top one, we can use the BA. Wrong. Wait. Let me redo this. DBA. Wait. So let's redraw this first. DBA. Wait. DLI first. One. Then one result. DBA. There. Now we can just snap it here. Then next is this bottom here. DLI again. And then click again so that you can just and then this. Then once we're done with that, all we need now is the angle and this. For this, the one we cannot use the align. For that, we will use DL, DAL, dim aligned. So spacebar, you can spacebar again to snap it. And then for the angle, done, dim angular. Select and then select. There we go. Now we have the dimensions for figure 1. And now for figure number 4. This will also follow the steps. If you have the reference figure, then you can just do it. So let us now do first the very easy ones. So DLI again. DLI, snap and then snap. And then for this, now for this part, we can also do the other one as well. Can just snap it, make sure to snap it, make sure that all the dimension lines that are in your which other must be aligned like that. You can just snap it. Now next is the upper one. Two. Then another so now for this you can do DCO for the continue. DLI again. Can snap it. Then another one here. Just snap it here. Now for the line here also. You can, if you're somebody you don't know where to snap the LI, the space bar. There you go. And now for the internal sizes. So another DLI again. Just snap and then snap. And then just click. And then now for the inner part. Just make sure if you want to do what I am doing, like just it just snaps wherever you want. You can pause the video while back to me showing you the snapping settings. And now for the one here, we need to use a leader line. So MLD, then just put one, then set romance, and then 0.2, and then type 45. Make sure that it is matching. Oh wait, it's bugging. So that there. Make sure yes, this is the same color. Romance 0.2. Then type 45. Then percent D. There. Now for the part here, so what we'll do is dim dia. We can snap. Just snap it where you feel like it, I guess. Then do that thing again for this second circle. Uh, if you're not content with the alignment, you can align it yourself, if I believe. We can redo this. And that's it for part 1, figures number 1 and figures number 4.